Hi everybody, Zach here. Welcome back to the channel. On this channel, you get crypto all the time. And today we're talking about Ethereum because Ethereum has a big day coming up here on August 5th at 8:09 a.m. That is the projected time when the London upgrade is scheduled to occur. Now, the Ethereum London upgrade countdown right here on ethernodes.org/London will give you real-time, real information on when this is going to take place. I know we've heard a lot about August 4th. It seems like they are slightly behind with the EIP 1559 upgrade, which we're going to dive a little bit deeper into today and talk about that. And this is your Ethereum news today. This is what you need to know as we're getting closer and closer to this big date. Of course, we have another upgrade coming up in the beginning of 2022. We're going to talk about that upgrade in particular as well in this video and talk about where the price could be going for Ethereum once we get into 2022. And we are going to dive into those price predictions, and I think you're going to like what we see over there. And Ethereum, first and foremost, let me just preface this video by saying it's my favorite. It's my #1 holding in all of my crypto assets. I really, truly believe in it. And this is the thing with Ethereum. I think the best is surely yet to come. And I think Ethereum is going to outgrow Bitcoin. I don't think it's going to grow to the point where it overtakes it in price. However, I do think Ethereum will grow to the point where it overtakes Bitcoin in market capitalization. And we call that the flippening index, or the flippening theory, in which Ethereum could someday flip Bitcoin in market cap. And I think it's very likely this happens in the next 3 to 5 years. I think closer to 3. And I say that quite a bit. I just want to drop that note in there. For those of you who are just popping in here for the first time, welcome into the channel, by the way. And before we hop into the TradingView charts and before we talk more about this upgrade, just want to talk about our private community. This is a growing private community. If you want a little bit more access to me and you want to be on the inside of things and have a team of people at your disposal to help you in your investing journey, come on over, join our Patreon. That link is down in the description. With that $20 insider package, you're going to get buy and sell trade alerts. You're going to know when I buy, when I sell, when I add to my positions. Insider-only content talking about the market trends, how to take advantage of market conditions. Group portfolio access, we add to that each and every month. In fact, I'm getting ready to add to that sometime later this week. Monday newsletter with 5 crypto to watch. And of course, you get all the great things in our Discord as well. So come on over and join us. If you don't want to join us on a different platform, you can hit this little join button right here above my head, and you can check out the 2 different packages that we have right here on YouTube for you. All right, so let's pop into it. The overall market back down to 1.55 trillion. We are down overall 2.53%, at least at the time of this recording here on the morning of August 3rd. Ethereum in particular down below 2,500, but it is retracing right now to get back over 2,500. We have seen Ethereum do some nice price action to the upside, especially here over the last several weeks. And right now, though, we've got a rising wedge, a warning signal here, and Ethereum just did hit over 2,500. This says the rise is not impulsive in nature, resembling an ABCD type correction, and also is forming a rising wedge. Confirmation for sellers comes with the break of the formation support, with more confirmation once we have a break under horizontal 1. All right. If we do have that break, this person putting this technical analysis together is looking to sell. Now, I'll tell you this. With Ethereum, I think we are seeing maybe a minor pullback right now, but I think we are in the midst of a big upwards trend. Of course, there's going to be peaks and valleys along the way, right? And I can take you over to this chart, and I think you could see that a little bit better. But this was that low valley, right? Back on July 20th, this thing was $1,700 and some change. And over in our private community, I was telling people, hey, I'm adding on to my position here. Anytime Ethereum gets down below 2,000, I want more. I want to be greedy. And we know what it takes to be a greedy investor when things are down, because psychologically it tells us, well, I don't want to buy it right now. It's not going well. It's going down. But looking at the long-term outlook of Ethereum, anytime it's below 2,000 at this point, I am loving it. I want to add on to that position because I don't think it's going to stay there very long. And we saw that. And of course, here in the day range, we could see that it was as high as 2,630 here in the past 24 hours. Of course, in the 52-week range, we've seen Ethereum climb to 4,300, $4,380. I do think, and you can see this right above my head box here, I do think, and let me move this up a little bit, I do think we are going to see an even higher 52-week range by the end of the year. I really do. I think we're going to get up there, up over 5,000 in my opinion, and later next year, well, that's the big question. Where could we be heading? So let's pop over to this article. And no, we don't want to get to all that stuff. Major Ethereum upgrades set to alter supply, fix transaction fees. That's the EIP 1559 upgrade that is happening on August 5th, early morning August 5th now. That's when it's projected. And you can see that again over at ethernodes.org/London. 8:08 a.m. is the time now. It's set to be complete. All right, so this major Ethereum upgrade is going to slowly start burning the supply of ETH, which, as we know, supply and demand tells us is great for the price. So, while Bitcoin is the preferred store of value in the digital ecosystem, Ethereum has emerged as the leading financial infrastructure, settling over 12 billion daily transactions, which is more than Bitcoin. This is one of the flipping metrics that they use to see when Ethereum will flip Bitcoin. Ethereum has already flipped Bitcoin in this metric. So this is according to Grayscale report released in February of this year. Andrew Keys, managing partner at Dharma Capital, said Ether's current price has yet to factor in the looming software upgrade. He estimates that the expected software adjustment next week, coupled with another upgrade in the first quarter of 2022, which will take a look at moving Ethereum from proof of work over to proof of stake, should easily quintuple. That's right, quintuple the price of Ether by next year. On Thursday, Ether was up 0.6, and this article was done a little while back. Then they get into more details on what EIP 1559 is, and they talk about how EIP 1559 is a software upgrade that will change the way transactions are processed on the Ethereum network by providing clear pricing on transaction fees and also burning a small amount of those tokens. The burn tokens will be permanently taken out of circulation. Permanently taken out of circulation. So this is big, big news for Ethereum, and I am super pumped to watch this London upgrade because this is a catalyst that's not here and then it's gone. It's not just, hey, this asset got added to an exchange or something that's just interesting news or an interesting rumor. This is fundamentally changing Ethereum forever, right? So this is a long-term adjustment to the entire ecosystem, and I can't wait to watch this play out because I am an Ethereum bull. I'm looking to continue to add more to my position. And if you want to come over and follow me on Twitter, I do tweet out when I put out new videos as well as when I go live and all of that sort of thing. It's at Z_Humphries. Come give me a follow over there. And don't forget about our private community. That link is down in the description. If you want more access to me, I definitely want more access to you. I'm here to help, and come on over and join us. And this will be really interesting. Drop your comments down below. What are you thinking as we get closer and closer to the Ethereum London upgrade countdown? Want your thoughts? And thanks so much for stopping by the channel. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video.